Topography map. What is topography map? It is that map which shows both natural and man-made features. In a physical map, latitudes and longitudes are the basis for the study of a region. But in topographical map, eastings and northings are the basis for the study of a region. Elements of any map will be title, scale, grid, direction and the key. Even in topography map also we have to follow this. Title. It represents name of the region depicted, that is the area representation represented by the name. Here map sheet number 45D/10 that shows the area which we are going to depict, infer about this region. How is the topography? What are the cultural elements? What are the economical elements? How is the hills? How are the falls? Each and every physiographic divisions in the given map, as well as the transport, occupation, each and everything comes under this. Scale. Scale is the ratio between the distance of any 2 points on the map and the actual distance on the same points on the ground. The scale of the given map is of 3 types. Statement scale. Over here we are showing statement scale. It is in the form of a written statement like 2 cm to 1 km. That is 2 cm on the map represents 1 km on the ground. Representative fraction or numerical scale is the ratio between the distance on the map to its corresponding distance on the actual ground. For example, 1 is to 50,000. That is 1 unit on the map represents 50,000 units on the ground. If it is 1 centimeter, then it will be 50 centimeter, 50,000 centimeter on the ground. Or if it is 1 feet on the map, then 50,000 feet on the ground. It is actually a universal accepted scale as it can be used in any kind of measurement system of distance. The map can be reduced or enlarged without changing the RF. Now RF don't have any units written on it. RF is the distance on the map and distance on the ground. It is showing the ratio. Now distance on the map as per the given map is 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer on the ground. That means 2 centimeter on the map divided by 1 kilometer, that means 1000 into 100 centimeter. That means if you are dividing these centimeters, then you are getting 1 is to 50,000, the representative fraction scale. Linear scale. This particular lines which has been divided, graduated, or it is called graphical scale. The scale is expressed in a horizontal or straight line. The bases are divided into a number of equal parts and are marked to show what these divisions represent on actual ground. Here, let us elaborate 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer, that is the statement scale, which is written in words. Then 1 is to 50,000, that is a representative fraction. And linear scale or graphical scale is the line which has been graduated. Now over here we can see this left hand side of 0 on the linear scale has been divided again into 10 divisions, equal divisions, and that is showing the meters. That means towards the right it is showing in kilometers, towards left it is showing the lesser units, that is meters, to be accurate in our counting. In topographical map of India, that is in ICSE syllabus, we are going to study about 45, this particular grid. Now in topographical maps of 45, it is divided into 16. That is 16 divisions: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This is actually 15 minutes latitude to 15 minutes longitude, the area. Now the scale, according to statement scale, it should be 1 inch to 1 mile, and always the RF which is not changed at all, that is 1 is to 50,000, and the type is known as 1 inch topo sheet. And the title, that is the example of it, is 45D by 7, 45D by 10. But now we follow metric system. So instead of 1 inch to 1 mile, we have converted into metric system, that is 1 centimeter to 500 meters. Now 45D by 7 belongs to northeastern part of Gujarat, that is Banaskantha district, and 45D by 10 belongs to northeastern Gujarat and southwest Rajasthan, that is Banaskantha and Sirohi district. The contour interval in topographical map of India is always 20 meter, and the scale is always 2 centimeter, that is 1 kilometer, or 1 is to 50,000. And the type is known as 1 inch map. The name has not been changed. Now let us see which part we are going to study. This is a satellite picture of Banaskantha region and northwestern part of Gujarat, and northeastern part of Gujarat, and south part of Rajasthan. This area we are going to study. Now over here we can see in the political map of India that 45, in which this particular part we are going to study, which is part of D, and that D is divided into again 16 divisions, among which we are going to study 7 and 10, that is 45, this area, D by 7 and D by 10 we are going to study. Location of places using the grid reference. What does grid reference mean? A grid is a series of straight lines drawn vertically and horizontally on topographical maps, where the lines cross each other to form squares of equal sizes. The lines running from north to south, that is the vertical lines, are called eastings. their numbers increases towards the east, as we can see over here. Now always the numbers, whether it is northings or eastings, never it is 3 digit or 1 digit. It has to be 2 digit number. Starting point of any numbers sides, it will be 0, 00, then 01, 02, till 99 it will go, and then again 100 will become in starting point for the next area, that is 00 again. The lines drawn horizontally are called northings. Their numbers also increases towards the north. Now here we can see when 99 is finishing, again 1, 2, 3, instead of saying that 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3 is starting for the next division. The southwestern corner is known as the grid origin, and it is from this corner that all grading start. Eastings are always quoted first and then the northings. Here the northings and the eastings together are forming the grid squares. 4-figure grid reference. The 4-figure grid reference has 4 digits. It gives the grid square in which a position is found. The 4 grid reference is found as follows. Suppose this area. We have to find out about A area. Read the eastings first and record its value. That is 23. Next, read the northing. That is 65. Put the values together. You will get 23 and 65. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. Now, why we have taken these particular numbers? Because southwest corner of this area we have to take each and everything of topographical map. The reading has to be from southwest corner, whether it is B or A or any other squares. Six-figure grid reference. It is more exact than the 4-figure grid reference. To get the 6-figure grid reference for red square or green square, in this area the red square, here we have to learn about green square. In the given figure, the following is done. First, record eastings value. Here eastings value is 62 and 63. In between that, we have to divide this area into 10 equal parts. Now, here's first we have to write down 62 and then we have to find out till where we have to go to reach that green color. Now from here starting point is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth line, that is 6 to 5 is the eastings. And then step 2, record northings. That is, here it is 33, and from 32 to 34 we have to again divide 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 means 34 is starting again. So here it is divided into 4, all the 10 equal parts. Out of that, this green color is where that we have to count. This is a zeros line, that is 33 0, 33 1, 33 2, 33 3. So the northing is coming 33 3. So the value of northings is coming 333. And the 6-figure grid reference is 6 2 5 and 3 3 3. Total 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. So 625333 is the value of this green square. Let us see. 625 again 333, and we have divided the area between 62 to 63 into 10 divisions and 33 to 34 into 10 divisions equally. Here only one grid has been taken, and that is 64 to 65, and that is the eastings, and northing 50 to 51. And here with the larger drawings, it has been shown that how it is divided into 10 equal squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal squares. So this particular green square, where it is, we have to see. Eastings, that is 64, 64 0, 64 1, 64 2, 64 3, 64 4, 64 5, 64 6. We have got 64 6. Now northings 500, 501, 502, 503, 504. We have got 504. Now what is the 4 grid reference? This is the southwest corner, that is 6450. We have written 6450. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits, so 4 grid reference. Now let us see how much is the 6 grid. 646504. 646504. So total 6 grid reference is coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. Now direction. Direction is important for finding the way of a place from another. All directions are based on the cardinal points of the compass. The main cardinal points: north, south, east, west. And the intermediate directions are northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Let us learn it more about directions. We have to find out the direction of Dhavli from Fatehpura. Draw a north arrow on Fatehpura. Here is Fatehpura, here is Dhavli, so we'll draw one north arrow from here. Now another arrow we have to draw from Fatehpura to Dhavli, and that shows that from north left hand side we are bending, that is northwest. So the answer is northwest. Direction of Dhavli from Fatehpura is northwest. Area. Area is length into breadth. In topographical maps, each grid square is having 2 cm into 2 cm, that is 1:1. That is 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer. As per the scale, 2 cm to 1 kilometer. The length of one side of the square is 1 kilometer. Therefore, the area of one grid will be 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer, that is 1 square kilometer. Now, if in a huge area we have to find out one particular area which is not totally perfectly square. So how we are going to do it? We have to find out complete square number, then half squares number, and 2/3 squares numbers, and 1/3 squares number. Here complete square is 4, half squares are 2, 2/3 squares are 5, 1/3 squares are 4. So total it is coming 9.6 square kilometer. Key or legend. These are the signs and symbols which shows clearly which color, which symbol means what. And accordingly, in the topographical map, we have to infer about its boundary or vegetation or the drainage pattern or the constructions or the roadways, railways or the settlement patterns or occupation that we are going to study in our next chapters. Thank you.